been hunting for the perfect cherry red matte, and I think I just found it.
So did you like it? Everything you just watched was created in Buzzy. The model, the product shots, even the script. And here's the best part. I didn't stop at one ad, I generated the whole batch of variations. Same model, same lipstick, different outfits. That's a full campaign ready to post. Today I will show you the exact workflow click by click, because honestly this is the closest thing to a real business opportunity I ever seen in AI so far. Let me keep this short. Everyone's asking how to make money with AI, and in my opinion the best answer right now is this. Start your own marketing agency. No, you won't sign big brands on day one. You start small local businesses, small online shops, people who need good content but can afford the production crew. And here's why it works now. With AI you can deliver a polished ad in a day, sometimes in an hour, at a quality that used to take a studio and weeks of work. That speed is your advantage as a beginner. One problem though, nobody hires an agency with an empty portfolio. The fix? Spec Ads. You invent a brand and build a campaign for it. That's your proof. So that's what we are doing today. My invented brand is Melted Mood, a soft matte lipstick, shade Cherry Rush. Let's give it a full UGC campaign. The tool I'm using is Buzzy. Everything happens in one place on an infinite canvas. The script, the characters, the storyboard, the final video. And here's what I like about the setup. Buzzy brings all the top models together in one workflow. Seedance 2.5, Sora 2, Kling 3.0, Runaway Gen 4, Gemini Omni, so I can generate with one model, compare with another, all on the same workspace. No switching between 5 platforms, no juggling 5 subscriptions. Okay, watch how simple this is. I hit create a video, then in the chat box I switch to agent mode and pick a skill. And there's a whole library of this. AI film, branding ads, electronic ads, animations. Each skill sets the agent up for a different kind of video. Today we are selling lipstick, so UGC ads it is. Now the inputs, and this is everything I give it. One short prompt plus 2 reference images. The photo of my model and the photo of the lipstick. That's it, one prompt, 2 images, send. And now the agent does something I honestly didn't expect. It takes my 2 sentences prompt and writes a full detailed script, shot by shot, actions, camera notes, even the spoken lines for the UGC style. I gave it 2 sentences, it gave me back a director's breakdown. Then, without me asking twice, it builds the character sheet. From that one photo I get my model from multiple angles, front, side, back, same face, same feature every time. And look at this, the side view matches the photo. Same jawline, same hair, the sheet is the anchor. It's what keeps her consistent through every single shot. Right after that, the storyboard lands on the canvas, the full board. Every segment of the ad, timed and described with my model in every single frame. All of it from 2 images and 2 sentences. This is the part where I normally lose a full day. It took me minutes. And here's a nice touch, I can split this board into a grid. I'm going with 9 square grid storyboard. 9 frames laid out 3 by 3. The whole ad on screen, opening, application, close-ups, product shot, and now every frame becomes its own little workspace. Now the fun part, on the canvas every frame in that grid is adjustable on its own. And there are 2 controls I really want you to see. First, lighting. I click one frame and open lighting effects. That's a brightness slider so I can make the light stronger or softer depending on what the shot needs. And I can move the key light around. Watch, light from the front feels like a clean selfie. Move it to the side and suddenly there's depth. Way more flattering on the face. And here's the important part, I'm editing just this one frame, the other 8 untouched. Nothing else regenerates, nothing else changes. Usually you change one detail and pray the rest survives. Here the rest of the storyboard just stays put. Second, angles. I open the multi-angle editor. This shot is too flat, so I pull it into a slight low angle. And this one becomes a tight close-up so the lipstick fills the frame. There are ready-made presets too, high angle, low angle, back view, but you can dial in your own degree by degree. And again, one frame at a time, everything else stays exactly as it was. I adjust a few frames like this, generate all the shots and cut them together. Vertical 9 by 16, ready for TikTok, Reels and Shorts. Alright, enough adjusting, let's watch the results start to finish.
I've been hunting for the perfect cherry red matte, and I think I just found it. One swipe, and it's completely opaque. It glides on like butter. The precision, is everything. I am obsessed with this shade. It literally feels like I have nothing on. Literally, no filter needed.
Okay, honestly, you wouldn't say this is AI. She feels natural, the energy is right, the pacing, the light, the close-ups, everything just connects. And the lipstick stays exactly the same shade in every shot. I don't have much to add here, it's simply a good ad. But here's a step that turns one ad into a campaign. Batch generation. Clients never want just one video, they want versions. So I go back to the agent and ask for 2 more variations of this exact ad. Same model, same lipstick, look at them side by side. Same woman, same product. For a client, that's 3 ready to post versions from one setup. Now before we wrap up, one thing I want to make clear. In Buzzy you can create all kinds of AI videos. UGC Ads, that was just one example. You can build AI commercials, storytelling videos, cinematic content, animations. And for all of this, there's a whole library of skills. Each skill sets the agent up for that specific type of video. So you're not fighting a generic tool that does everything halfway. The work gets easier and the results get noticeably better. Take cinematic content for example. For that, there's AI Fill. It's the same flow we use today. Short prompt, a reference or two, and the agent takes over. But everything shifts to film mode. It writes a proper narrative script with a film arc, it builds the characters and keeps them consistent scene after scene. It plans real shot, wide establishing shots, close-ups, dramatic angles, and the output has that film look. Proper framing, proper mood, proper pacing. People are making short films and trailer with this. So whatever your agency ends up selling, there's a skill for it here. So here's my honest takeaway. AI won't hand you an agency. It's not easy and you still need to put in a lot of work. You'll also hear plenty of no's at the start. Everybody does, but the barrier is gone. You don't need a studio or a budget anymore. One good idea, one clean workflow and you can build a real portfolio this week. The link to Buzzy is in the description. Start your agency, go build that portfolio, and if you have questions, drop them in the comments. See you in the next one.